5 Best Drum Sander Reviews. Jet 723520K JWD-S1632 Drum Sander. Jet 723520K is a great drum sander for woodworkers that are looking for a high-performing model that does not cost much. Although it has one of the smallest motors on our drum sander reviews, it still produces enough power for most sanding projects. It comes with a 16-inch drum size and with a variable speed control that makes it easy to select the optimal feed rate according to the project. And it is also one of the lightest models on our list, which makes it easy to move around the workshop or between work sites. Pros: variable speed control, large conveyor table, separate drum and conveyor motors, heat dissipating aluminum drum, 5-year warranty. Cons: not very powerful motor. Shop Fox W1678 5 HP drum sander. Shop Fox W1678 is a dual drum sander that provides a fast and efficient system, and the rear drum is micro-adjustable. Also, it uses a hook and loop sandpaper attachment that makes the paper change quick and easy. It is the priciest model on our list, but you get what you pay for, as it runs on a powerful 5.0 HP motor that will deliver a speed of 2,300 RPM and variable feed rate with a maximum limit of an impressive 20 FPM. The 26-inch drum on the sander is also the largest on our list, and it makes it a great choice when dealing with large stocks. Pros: 5.0 HP powerful motor, variable feed rate, hinged hood design, dual drum sander, durable industrial rubber conveyor belt. Cons: quite a pricey sander, relatively short warranty for such an expensive drum sander model. Jet 628900 mini 10-inch benchtop drum sander. Space is always limited in most workshops, but this should never stop you from buying a drum sander, as you can always go for the mini Jet 628900 benchtop sander. It is one of the best drum sanders for small shops, as it does not take up a lot of space, and it is also quite affordable. But despite the affordable price tag and compact design, this is still quite a high-performing sander. Its 1 HP motor is the smallest on our list, but it is still quite substantial for a benchtop drum sander. This motor provides a speed of 1,700 RPM, and the drum sander also has a variable feed rate of 0 to 12 FPM. Pros: relatively affordable sander, variable feed rate, large and easy to adjust hand wheel, quick sandpaper change, lightweight and compact sander. Cons: motor not very powerful. Supermax 19-38 drum sander. The Supermax 19-38 is a fantastic drum sander with a variable feed rate, and it will be a great addition to your power tool collection, as it will take care of all your sanding needs. Also, the Supermax has an indexed alignment setting that will cater for both wide and narrow stock, and the 47.5 inches long and 22-inch wide conveyor table is also enough to handle all your work pieces. Pros: auto-adjusting conveyor speed, variable feed rate, requires little assembly, easy height adjustments, well built and easy to use. Cons: wide stand takes up more space. Powermatic PM2244 1-3/4 HP drum sander. If you are one of the many woodworkers and hobbyists that value the appearance of a power tool almost as much as its performance, the Powermatic PM2244 will be a perfect drum sander for you. It has a 22-inch drum size to accommodate wider stock and a variable feed rate of 0 to 10 FPM that makes it ideal for sanding various kinds of stock. The Powermatic PM2244 is the second priciest unit on our list, and also one of the bulkiest. One of its most outstanding features is the LED control panel, which is not only unique on our list but also in the market, since few other drum sanders have this feature. This control panel will display important information such as belt speed and power. Pros: LED control panel, variable feed rate, built-in feed logic, durable cast iron drum carriage, sleek and attractive finish. Cons: relatively expensive. Quite a heavy sander.